Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting details of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. From groundbreaking performance to design tweaks and camera upgrades, this device might just redefine the smartphone game. So, stick around, and let's get into it. The Galaxy S25 Ultra continues Samsung's journey of refining its flagship designs. Remember the bold shift with the S22 Ultra's boxy note-inspired shape? Now, Samsung is adding a touch of comfort. The S25 Ultra features slightly rounded corners, making it easier to handle while still looking ultra-premium. But there's more. The frame now seamlessly connects to the back panel, ensuring a smooth and ergonomic feel. Sharp edges? Say goodbye to those. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's OLED screen faced criticism for its grainy texture. Samsung listened. The S25 Ultra will come equipped with M13 OLED materials, promising a clearer, more vibrant display. Say hello to sharper visuals and a top-notch viewing experience. Rumors even suggest that Samsung might step up to M14 OLED materials for brighter screens, better colors, and improved viewing angles. Fingers crossed for that upgrade. While the zoom camera remains unchanged, Samsung is betting big on the ultra-wide lens. The S25 Ultra will feature a 50 megapixels ultra-wide camera with the Samsung ISO CELLJN3 sensor. This means better details, more vibrant shots, and an upgraded photography experience. If you're a fan of multitasking or gaming, you're in for a treat. The S25 Ultra takes RAM to the next level with options for 12GB and 16GB. It's rumored that the 1TB storage variant will come with 16GB of RAM, making processing, gaming, and multitasking smoother than ever. Mark your calendars. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to launch in late January 2025, with the Unpacked event happening earlier in the month. But here's the catch. Due to the higher cost of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, Samsung is likely to raise prices across all models. To offset this, the brand is cutting costs in areas like display and camera sensors. Will this strategy pay off? Only time will tell. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will come in 4 titanium colors: black, blue, gold, and silver. While these are confirmed, online exclusive colors may also be announced closer to launch. We've seen leaks of the S25 Ultra running One UI 7.0 on Android 15. Reputable sources like Ice Universe confirm its glossy metallic finish, rounded corners, and iconic camera setup. Interestingly, the rumored ridge design for the camera rings from the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is missing here. However, leaked tempered glass images hint at subtle tweaks like slightly curved edges for better grip and comfort. Gamers, rejoice! The Galaxy S25 series will feature Qualcomm's Adreno Frame Motion Engine 2.0, which interpolates frame rates, offering a next-level gaming experience. The S25 Ultra is expected to have thinner bezels, making it the sleekest device in the Galaxy lineup. Combined with its softened corners and iconic design, this phone is built to balance aesthetics and usability perfectly. But this time, it's not just about the usual flagship models. There's a brand new addition that's turning heads: the Galaxy S25 Slim. Now, when we say slim, it's not just about shaving off a few millimeters. This phone is designed for those who crave sleek, lightweight devices that still deliver premium features. Think of it like a slim wallet. It's compact but still has everything you need. Samsung seems to have struck the perfect balance between portability and high-end performance. One of the biggest challenges with designing ultra-thin phones is maintaining top-tier camera performance. Let's face it, we've all seen those big, clunky camera bumps that make some phones feel less ergonomic. But Samsung has taken a bold step forward with their innovative ALOP technology, short for All Lenses on Prism. So, what is ALOP, and why is it such a big deal? Picture this. Fitting a full-sized DSLR camera into a tiny travel bag. It sounds impossible, right? But Samsung's ALOP makes it happen. It uses a clever combination of a tilted prism and a special sensor design to shrink the camera system by an impressive 22%. This means the Galaxy S25 Slim will have no bulky camera bump, offering a clean and seamless design without compromising on quality. The Galaxy S25 Slim is expected to be the first phone to feature this groundbreaking technology. If it works as Samsung intends, it could inspire a new trend across the smartphone industry. Imagine a future where slim phones no longer mean sacrificing camera capabilities. This could be a game changer for both users and manufacturers. As for the launch date, things are still a bit unclear. Some reports suggest it will debut alongside the Galaxy S25 series in early 2025, while others speculate it might launch later in the year, possibly during the unveiling of Samsung's next-generation foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. Either way, Samsung is clearly aiming to offer something fresh and unique. What's particularly exciting is that Samsung isn't just following industry trends. Instead, they're venturing into unexplored territory, much like Apple, with rumors of their own iPhone 17 Slim. Companies like these are not just building what consumers want today, they're trying to anticipate what we'll want tomorrow. Of course, there's always some risk involved in launching something so bold. But if Samsung gets it right, the Galaxy S25 Slim could become the perfect choice for users who want a highly portable phone without giving up flagship-level performance. It's shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases of 2025. Whether this turns into a massive hit or just another quirky experiment, only time will tell. But one thing is certain. Samsung is pushing boundaries and redefining what we expect from smartphone design. So, what do you think about the Galaxy S25 Slim? Are you excited about this slim, feature-packed phone, or do you think the concept might fall short? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And, as always, if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button for more updates on the latest tech trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.